Welcome back to the channel. This is Southern cheese spread, affectionately known as Carolina Caviar, or you may know it as pimento cheese. This became popular many years ago in the South because it had didn't spoil very quickly, so that textile workers could take this to work as their lunch and not have to worry about it spoiling before they ate it. Also, it was fashionable in Seagram. Because it doesn't spoil easily, it is a favorite for parties or cookouts or gatherings. It is commonly served with crackers or vegetables or just on a sandwich. You can take this spread and put it on a hamburger instead of using your sliced cheese, and honey hush, it becomes a totally different burger. It is top notch. Hang out with me. I'm going to show you how to simply Southern grub. Our first step is we're going to need to shred some cheese. We are using an extra sharp cheddar, and a medium cheddar. Now, back in the day, you could go and get hoop cheese from the local store. I have not seen hoop cheese in a long time, but they called it hoop cheese because it was in a hoop for one thing. It was round, and that was the best cheese ever. So you're going to need 2 cups of this cheese, and you're going to shred this. Our cheese is shredded, and I use 2 different sizes on the shred. So I have the larger and the smaller, and that will make a difference in your cheese spread to have the 2 different consistencies. Now, you might ask yourself, why didn't I use shredded cheese that I buy in a bag? It's not the same, folks. The shredded cheese that you buy in the bag have some kind of coating on it, maybe cornstarch, to keep the shreds separated. And we don't want this to separate once we start stirring it together. It's a cheese spread, okay? We're going to get our pimentos and we're going to drain all the juice off of it. Did y'all see me struggle a little? That's okay. I had my back up here.
It's effects for the camera.
I did that just for you guys. So now you just take just use the back of a spoon and you're going to press all of the liquid out of your pimentos. And a pimento is just a pepper. So this is a red pepper that has been roasted, and this was put up in water. You're going to want to discard all the juice. And my pimentos are not quite as small as I would like, so I'm going to chop them a little bit more. I like my pimentos small in the spread. If you like your pimentos larger, by all means, leave them larger. Now we're going to take 1 cup of mayonnaise, and we are using Duke's. I don't think that there's any other mayonnaise for a Southern dish. If you guys don't have Duke's, you need to ask your grocery to carry that for you. We're going to add to our mayonnaise 4 ounces of cream cheese. I have let this set out to room temperature, so it's going to be easier for me to mix in with the mayonnaise. Now that we have the mayonnaise mixed in with the cream cheese, we're going to add our spices. So what we have here is onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, cayenne. You can put the amount of cayenne in it to your taste. I'm using a little bit less than a half a teaspoon, and we also have smoked paprika. So you'll stir this in to your mixture here, and we're going to also use a dash of Worcestershire sauce. And we'll just mix all this together. I'm going to add my pimentos now, and you'll see that I chopped mine up fine. So they weren't chopped quite as fine as I wanted them for our pimento cheese. So you'll just add this. Again, give it a good stir. We're bringing back in the cheese. It's the star of the Southern cheese spread. Got some on my fingers. It's delicious. You're just going to fold all of this in on your Southern cheese spread. I think I need a heavier spoon. This one is not wanting to work with me as well as I would like. I got my wood spoon. Sometimes that plastic stuff, the only thing it will stir is water. And you're just going to mix this up really good. It'll come together, guys. This is all stirred up now, and it looks delightful. Y'all, stay with me just 1 second. I'm going to show you how to serve this up. We have our Southern cheese spread ready, and this is how it can be served. Either with crackers, you can serve it with vegetables, or on a sandwich. And remember at the beginning, I told you you could serve it on a hamburger. Believe me, guys, you want to try that. That is top notch. So now my favorite part is the taste test. You know the cook always has to taste it to make sure that it's fit for everyone else, or just because she's got it. Look at that. That is a delicious bite. I could eat this whole bowl, guys. The recipe for this will be down in the description. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and also hit that bell so that you get all of our recipes when they post. We'll see you next time here on Simply Southern Grub.